My name is Chris Stewart, and today I'm going to inform you on how a pencil is made. Oftentimes, we take for granted these little sticks that we hold in our hands. They can be used for anything: writing, drawing, letters to a friend, maybe scratch paper for math, things like that. It's just a commodity that was invented in 1564. And honestly, the lead pencil has never truly contained lead and has been improved both in production ability and quality. I'm going to go into detail of how this is created. First, the pencil stock is collected from a tree, in this case a cedar tree, and cut into pencil blocks. These are usually about this big, and that is where we'll get the pencil from. These blocks are actually cut a little bit longer than the pencil, and this is called the trim allowance. This will become more important later on in the process, as it allows for a little more room for error. Then a thin-bladed circular saw cuts the block into pencil slats. Thin blades are used to reduce the amount of waste created in the form of sawdust. These slats are then separated by width and grade for further processing. Pencil slats are then treated in the slat factory before they're shipped off. They're treated with a coat of wax in order to create a uniform color. That way they all have the same look to them. And then they're given a final inspection before being sent off to be at other factories across the world. The writing cord is then inserted into the slats and sandwiched together. First, a machine cuts a small hole into the side of each one, a little groove for the pencil core, the lead core to go inside it, which is a mixture of graphite and clay. The writing core, it's a mixture of graphite and clay. Once the cores are inserted, a second groove slat, which is the same exact way but without a lead core inside of it, is sandwiched onto it with glue in between in order to create a tight seal. They are clamped together until the glue dries. Once the glue dries, the sandwiches are cut and processed into the final product. The sandwiches are trimmed to the standard pencil length, which is about right there without the end piece, and are cut into different shapes depending on what they're going to be used for. In this case, hexagonally, which also could be round or triangular. Each pencil receives multiple coats of lacquer, which give it that feel you get whenever you touch it like that. And then a tipping machine attaches an eraser and a ferrule. The ferrule is this little metal piece right here, and that keeps the eraser onto the pencil. In conclusion, the process of creating a pencil has changed little since its invention in 1564, besides improving its quality and speed of production. The mass production of pencils allows children and adults to be given the gift of writing that may have been less obtainable beforehand, and knowing the process of creating a pencil allows us to begin to appreciate this little stick in our hands that has changed the world in words, education, literature, and communication. Thank you for your time.